With the new fully adjustable ReadyRest products, you can always be comfortable when welding. ReadyRest is a new concept in TIG, MIG, universal, grinder, arm and wrist rest for welding and fabrication. The universal rest holds MIG and TIG torches and electrode holders. The ReadyRest is height adjustable, so you can set it to match your working height. Instantly and easily adjust the height of the ReadyRest as you change your welding position. And the ReadyRest is angle adjustable, so you can set your torch at the ideal angle for easier access. If you need to sit or stand while welding, adjust the angle of your ReadyRest for better torch access. An adjustable cable hanger provides cable management for safety and reduced wrist fatigue. Out of space on your work surface? Position the ReadyRest at or beyond the surface edge to save valuable space. Increased comfort equals greater productivity. With the height and angle adjustable ReadyRests, you can always be comfortable while welding.